To get all of my videos, click subscribe and the bell. Now you are subscribed to my channel.
Yeah, good evening to you all. This is Ampo Steven. Last time I was on the page and I found out that the leader was complaining or reporting such a problem like some of the phones cannot be accessed the platform that you use to make the activation and the servicing. So I will just give you a simple instruction or solution for you to able to use any phone to access the program or either for recharge or activation. So I'll just turn my camera to my phone and I'll show you how to do that. Thank you very much for your time you are spending to watch my video. But please try to subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more from there, or you can get a lot of my videos from there. I teach more about smartphone and Android operating system. Thank you very much for having a time for my program. As I was saying, those using the Infinix phones and the Techno phone, those type of phones, most of the times if you open the browser and you want to select the country, it's not working. So as I click on my SMA device application, I'll go to web portal. So when you click the web portal, it looks like you cannot select your country if you are using an Infinix phone or Techno phone. So like this, mine is not, you see, it's not showing up the countries. So what you do is just flip the screen and you have this thing on the screen, the option, that red dotted this thing on the screen. So click on that thing and then you see history and many things, the browser, everything. So click on the share. When you click on the share, you see that there is pop-up applications will show up there. Then click on the furnace. So when you click on the furnace, you can able to use the furnace to do everything that you want to use the web-based application to do. So when I select the country now, it will show up the countries that we have in our server. That is all. Thank you very much for watching this video.
Click the subscription and the bell. Now you are subscribed to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.